Minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I want to show you something I learned. Okay. I found out this thing can backflip off of anything.
Shut the fuck up.
Check this out, man. Backflip me with the Maxx. Ow! Oh, I ran right into my shin. That thing will wheelie forever. Look at that. It just goes. Oh, that was amazing, dude. There, now we're even. Yeah. Steer it, yeah.
Don't get hurt.
This is without the speed gears.
Why did we put the speed gears in it and do that? 80 mile an hour.